Hello! So these are the words that we will be focusing on this week. We have 4 words for our article Growing Food at Home. The first word is grow, to become bigger over time. So we see a plant when we were growing our seeds in our classroom. It was just a tiny seed, right? Then it grew some roots that we saw, and then we put it in the dirt and it grew into a plant. I do miss our plants. Yeah, it would have been really cool to see them grow more and more until they were flowers and green beans. Home. Home is where someone lives. So, home can be a house like this. It could be an apartment building. It could be like an RV. It could be um, any type of building, really, or any place where you feel that you belong, where you're with people you love. It'd be a home. Our next word is spring, the season after winter and before summer. So currently we are in the season of spring. A lot of flowers bloom in the springtime because the weather is nice. Sometimes it rains, sometimes it's very sunny. Then that kind of weather is what plants really like. And garden, an area of land where someone grows plants. And so if we see in our school, we have a garden and there's a lot of plants there. We also have a beehive there. We used to water the plants with Mr. Hopkins. So let's review the words again. Grow, to become bigger over time. Home, where someone lives. Spring, the season after winter and before summer. Garden, an area of land where someone grows plants.